1. This leather gun is made of 1.5mm stainless steel plate cut by laser and hand-polished assembly. The unique mechanical structure is simple and reliable, and the clacking sound of the gears on the upper ribs will fascinate you. The color version is based on the stainless steel version of the addition of 1.8mm of color acrylic plate to make the gun body appear thick and strong. In addition to the color of the collocation can also highlight the layer of the gun body. 2. This miniature Civil War cannon is typical of the field cannons used by both sides in the conflict. This mini cannon is of Napoleonic design and is superbly detailed, featuring all-metal construction with 1.77 revolving wheels and removable ramrods. At less than 5.9 long, this miniature cannon is part of a series of famous Danix miniature cannons that are ideal for war gamers or collectors. Any Civil War buff would admire this miniature cannon, which is a smaller version of the original. 3. Prank toy trick surprise animals insects scared wooden box kids. When you remove the lid, the animals in the wooden box will jump out. An amazing box with vivid animals inside. Great toys, make fun of, let others laugh. Can also be your home decorations. Use this trick box to fool your friends on April Fool's Day. 4. High-quality superhero muscle padding costume muscle suit. Do you want to make your body like this? Why not? So collect this and make your body like a bodybuilder. Wearing this muscle suit you can show your body everywhere and can be a superhero. 5. Shower out loud with the Moxie showerhead and wireless speaker. Moxie delivers hours of music to your showerhead by pairing wirelessly with your devices. The magnetic speaker pops in and out of the showerhead for easy recharging.